In this video, I'm going to show you how to send web page HTML emails using Mozilla Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to open a new message window. So I'm going to go to new message top left, and then from here you must have your HTML code. So you can just go and open your web page file, or of course an HTML editor or whatever, and you want to get your HTML code. Now I do have a sample HTML code copied over here, so I'll just show you what it looks. I actually generated this with Gemini for the purpose of this video. It looks like this, but as you can see, if I paste it in here, it actually does nothing. So what you have to do is the following. Go to Insert up top and click on HTML. This is going to open up an HTML box where you simply have to paste in the HTML. So right click and paste, or Control and V on your keyboard, and when you click on Insert, watch the magic happen. There we go, we have this HTML rendered in here directly inside our email. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.